This is not my real IP address and I do not live on Poland. My real IP address and location is completely hidden. If I wait 3 seconds and refresh the browser, I can see my IP address has automatically changed and so is my location. So that's what we're going to be learning in this video. We're going to be learning how to connect to the Tor network and how to automatically change your IP address every 3 seconds on Kali Linux. So let's get started. I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open my terminal and install the Tor package with the command sudo apt install tor and press enter. Type the password for my user and press enter. Continue, press capital Y and then press enter. After Tor is installed, I will start the Tor service with the command sudo systemctl start Tor and press enter. If I see the status of the Tor service with the command sudo systemctl status Tor, I can see it is now active and running. Next, we have to install Tornet with pip. Now pip comes default installed on Kali Linux. If for some reason you do not have pip installed, then type the command sudo apt install python3 -pip and press enter. Since I already have pip installed, I will not install it for now. I will type the command sudo pip install tornet and press enter, and tornet will be installed. We can now start using tornet. Now before I start using tornet and change my IP address, I first need to configure my browser so that my browser goes to the Tor network. So I will open my Firefox and click the 3-dotted icon here and click on settings. In the settings tab, scroll to the extreme bottom and under network settings, click on the settings button. In the connection settings, choose manual proxy configuration, keep SOCKS 5 selected, and under the SOCKS host, type 127.0.0.1 and in the port, type 9050. Scroll down and checkmark the box proxy DNS when using SOCKS 5. Checkmarking this box will avoid leaking your DNS information, and then click on OK. And we are done configuring our browser. So I will go back to my terminal and type the command sudo space tornet space -- interval space. Type in how many seconds you want your IP address to change. If you wanted to change your IP address in every 1 minute, you would type 60 here. If you wanted to change your IP address in every 2 minutes, you would type 120 here. But since I want to change my IP address in every 3 seconds, I will type 3 space -- count space 0. Count means how many number of times the IP address can change. Since I have given 0 here, it means that I have not given any ending, so the IP address will continuously keep on changing. So I will press enter, and I can see the application has started, and it has first changed my IP address. After 3 seconds, it has again changed my IP address, and it will keep on continuously changing my IP address every 3 seconds. Now if I open my browser again and go to the site check.torproject.org and press enter, I can confirm I'm connected to the Tor network right now, and if I go to the site dnsleaktest.com, I can confirm that my IP address has completely changed and I'm from the country Germany. And if I refresh my browser after 3 seconds, I can see my IP address has changed again, and it shows that I'm from United States. If I click on extended test, I can confirm that my DNS information is also completely hidden, which makes me completely anonymous on the internet. So that is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.